Hey guys, I'm doing an unboxing video of my new purchase. It's a Martin D28 Special VTS edition. I bought it from Musician's Friend, and the box from UPS looked pretty good. This is the inside box. There was like a box inside a box. There's a small tear there. I don't think that'll be a problem. I'm sure it's wrapped up really good with the case. I couldn't do it with one hand, so I did start the process of the unboxing without you guys. Sorry for that. But this is the first time I've ever looked at the guitar. That was on top. They had a piece of foam on the top of the outside box, kind of wrapped around, so that's pretty good. I'll slide it out now, if I can do it in one hand. I'll let you guys see it as I see it. Tag, let's see, right there. Let's see what condition it's in. Appears to be brand new, never opened. I guess this is how Martin packages it up. And like I said, Musician Friend had a nice outside box. Didn't seem to get raped too bad from UPS. Let's take a look here if I can get this open. Probably just ought to cut that, but in case something's wrong with it and I need to take it back, I'll try to wrap it up just like they've got it. Hang tags hanging out. Okay. Now, for the part everybody's waiting for as well as me. Really excited about this. Let's see how this thing looks. Okay, here we go. Oh, don't you love that sound? No other ones on this case. Get that plastic out of the way. And here we go. Let's take a look at it. You're seeing it the first time as well as I am. Uh-oh. Did I miss one? Oh, yeah. On the back there. Here we go. Okay. So far, so good. Nice looking guitar. As well as it should be. The top on it's pretty nice. I like the finish on it. Almost in tune. I'm noticing first off that the Pickguard is black, and on the picture there appeared to be, let's see, what is that? Oh, that's just, okay, that's just plastic. I thought it was a scratch. It had a tortoiseshell style pickguard, and the picture also had herringbone looking binding on the picture. And this is just regular binding, multiply. It's like kind of like an aged binding. There's the headstock. It appears to have closed tuners on it. Like I said, I'm not really sure. Ebony fretboard, ebony bridge. Really not sure why the picture was wrong. I was wondering why it was called 28 style, but it had like HD 28 appointments on the picture. Not real crazy about the top, but it is, you know, it's adirondack, so it should sound really good. It's not an ugly guitar. Let's see. Smells really good. Let's take it out and see what we got here. Nice rosewood. If I can get that in frame. Bunch of reflections. It's nice and shiny. The back is killer on it. Nice rosewood. Okay, well, let's see. We got Rover tuners. And I'll do a future video to let you guys see how it sounds. I'm really wondering why the picture was wrong. It's a beautiful guitar, but they should have had a better picture on it. It's obviously got plastic on the pickguard. Brand new. Let's look at the figuring on the sides. My reflections are terrible. I'm sorry, guys. Nice looking rosewood. There's that side. Alright guys, well I'll give this thing a play and do a playing video on it. And I'm going to contact musician friend and ask them why the pictures are different than the product they're selling. But there it is. Thanks guys. Look forward to an update. Bye.